Good afternoon, class. My name is Rafael Espinoza. I'm going to talk about fractals in nature. Fractal geometry is the new branch of mathematics. Benoit Mandelbrot is considered the father of fractal geometry. Human builds objects according to traditional geometry. The phenomena of nature cannot be described according to traditional geometry. So, clouds are not spheres, mountains are not cones, and shores are not circles, and tree barks are not smooth, and lighting does not travel in a straight line. Fractals are self-similar objects. However, there are fractal objects that don't have self-similarity. A fractal is a phenomenon whose structure is repeated at different scales. A cauliflower and the Koch curve in the red books is a small copy of the entire figure. Fractals are more than lines and at the same time less than areas, at the same time more than points, and less than lines. For example, the Koch curve is constructed by dividing a line into 3 equal parts and each part into 3, and so on. Thanks for your attention.